Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison. Now you guys, go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink because you see the title is hosted by the Daughters of Destiny. We have Debbie Bubbles, Shoni on the spot, myself, and Lady Cinnamon. We are the Daughters of Destiny and it's all about romancing in red. So sit back and enjoy. So, guys, while we wait for the meal to be completely ready, we're going to have a little bit of dancing. We're just going to have a little bit of fun. It's all about having fun and enjoying each other. You guys, okay, that's not snow. It's the debris from the fire pit. So, yeah, a little bit of, I don't think we planned that one just perfectly, but we're still having fun. It's all about having fun and enjoying each other's company. It's all about love, romance, respect, enjoyment, just enjoying life. It is so much fun. All right, you guys, continue watching. We're gonna serve dinner. We'll have a little appetizer, and this is all about love. So let me know what you think in the comment section below of how we are sharing. Yeah, that smoke, you guys. My hair is all smoky up, so I'm gonna have to give it a shampoo and all of that. But look at us, we having fun, you guys. We're having fun. All right.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kind of nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me.
So guys, for dinner we are having the cordon bleu stuffed chicken breast with broccoli and cheese over on top of rice pilaf and a salad. My husband is having red wine and I am having white wine. Our place settings are those heart-shaped plates that I picked up from TJ Maxx, I think last year or the year before, and our dinner napkins and just a charger plate with the fork and the knife. The fire pit is providing us with some warmth, ambiance, and a little bit of smoke, but it's okay. We are enjoying each other's company. We are enjoying the love that we have and that we share for one another.
Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure. at the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This love is blossoming between us in yellow and indigo. I'll hold it gently in my heart until it's taking over my body and soul. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you into my home. Tonight's video is part of a collaboration that is hosted by my dear sisters and I, the Daughters of Destiny. Now we're bringing to you, this is an open collaboration. We ask all of our creators to join in with us to create a romantic date night for two, dinner for two. Husband and I were on the outside, and as you can see, it's Romancing in Red. That's the title, Romance in Red. And so we're out here on the deck, and we're just enjoying each other's company. You guys, it doesn't take a lot to blot out a little bit of. Now the dinner that I have prepared is the broccoli and cheese that I picked up from Sam's Club. The rice is rice pilaf by Uncle Ben's. Takes 90 seconds in the microwave to create that. And then the salad is those pre-mixed salads that you buy at your local grocery. And then we have a little bit of wine. So we're going to continue to enjoy each other's company. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out the playlist link of all the other creators. And again, this is created by my sisters and I, the Daughters of Destiny. There will be a playlist link listed in my description box below. Please check that out and check out all of the creators. You guys, we appreciate you so much. For those of you that continue to show me love and support, I want to say thank you. For those of you that are new, I thank you for stopping by. And if you want to become a part of this family here, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and tap that notification bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my up-and-coming uploads. Alright, you guys, we're going to continue to enjoy each other's company, be blessed, and take care. And until the next video, I am your host, Gigi Faison. So after dinner, we've just sat back and just continued to have conversation. This little charcuterie platter that I've created here. Now the charcuterie platter itself, I picked up from Target. I think it was either $3 or $5. Those beautiful candles that you see, I picked up from a local shop here in town. And as you saw, the table as I started off just raw and just one of the tables we use outside on the deck, I just added these two beautiful red throws and covered those up and just gave us that red ambiance with the lighting. Just a great place to sit, change up the venue from the inside dinner table to just outside enjoying the breeze. It was about 68 degrees. We had a little fire pit going and you saw the smoke, but nevertheless, sometimes you just endure those things that go wrong in order to enjoy those things that do go right. So you guys, let me know what you think, what you are doing for your romance in red. Let me know how you like this. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. I appreciate each and every one of you so very much. Be blessed until that next video. I am your host. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure.